So, FatSecret is basically a calorie and nutrition tracking app designed to help you monitor what you're eating, track calories, and keep an eye on your overall diet. The biggest advantage is the food database. You can search for foods, scan products, record meals, and track things like calories and macronutrients. For people who want a clearer picture of what they're actually eating, that can be really useful. But here's the catch. Calorie tracking is only as accurate as the information you enter. Restaurant meals, homemade food, and portion sizes can be difficult to estimate, so don't expect every number to be perfect. I'd also look at which features are available for free versus the premium version. If you're only interested in basic calorie tracking, you may not need to pay for extra features. So, does FatSecret actually help you track calories? Yes, it can be a useful tool, especially if you're consistent with logging your food. But the app itself isn't going to make the results happen for you. Overall, FatSecret is worth considering if you want a straightforward way to monitor your food intake, but consistency matters much more than which tracking app you choose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.